Understand this type of housing at all. They only put it up for a few days, then take it down and move on.
I think it's some kind of mobile home or a circus tent.
Well, there may be acrobatics going on in there, but I seriously doubt it has anything to do with the circus, if you know what I mean.
No, not really.
Haven't a clue.
Seriously? You've never flown by an R-rated movie at the drive-in before? Oh, come on. Come on.
I most certainly have not the very idea.
Anyway, and maybe with the current economic climate and so many houses going into foreclosure, this is the cheapest kind of habitat most humans can afford.
Seems awfully flimsy to me.
I still think it's a circus tent, but let's go investigate. It could be fun.
I'll race you. Last one there's the mortgage broker.
Hey, you got a head start. Remind me again why we're not flying there?
Because our wings are only painted on. Come on.
Oh, damn, I broke a claw nail.
Stop your beacon.
Oh, wait, I think I just found some delicious walking protein. I'll see you fellas later.
Thanks for the warning.
I heard that. Now come here, my little bugaboo.
Hey, there's a little hole up here, so I'm just going to shimmy up this cord and pop in.
I'm right behind you.
Hey, you were right. I think this is a circus tent. It's one of those bouncy rooms. Come on.
Yippee, I love a bouncy room. Oh, and it's so dark, too, like a haunted house. Or a Bennigan's.
Alley-oop.
Geronimo! Hey, we don't seem to be bouncing. Try jumping up and down a few times.
Oh. Okay, there we go. Whoa.
I fly to the air with the greatest of ease.
Superman! Look, man, no wings.
And they're the best.
Triple
I
Zelka.
feel like popcorn.
Superman!
Help, I'm trapped in the internet. Or, some kind of net.
Whoa, that was a blast. Even better than bungee jumping, don't you think?
Oh. I don't like bungee jumping so much because those bungees can be pretty nasty if you happen to land on one.